Dr. Namrata. I'm the admission head of the college, giving you a virtual tour for academic blocks, clinical blocks, lab, infra, and other facilities provided by the college. For first year and second year, we have a preclinical lab named by Simulation Lab, and in that lab we allow students to work on the dummy models as per requisite to working on the actual patients. Anatomy museum, and we do have a hard tissue and the soft tissue specimen provided in the museum, and we provided a bone card. By that bone card, the student issues the bone for the study material. This is our research center on the second floor. We have 3 pentahead microscopes for students for UGs as well as PG. If we talk about the recent advanced technology, we have CBCT digital scanners. In CBCT, we can take a 3-dimension image of the any structure, and the study material is provided by the Department of Oral Medicine, Dr. Manisha Lakhanpal, and we give the full investigation details for the students, PGs as well as UGs. We have 4 lecture halls for lectures in 33 students. These lecture halls are smart class enabled. We used to make study students on the presentation, PowerPoint presentations. When students enter in the 3rd year, they used to do clinical work on patients, and we have around 10 plus clinical areas. For UGs, we divided clinics in 3 comprehensive clinics named by CC1, CC2, CC3. So we have a PG clinic separately other than the UG clinic, and there is a difference in the PG clinic. The chambers are to be provided for the students by their names, and the PG clinic is headed by the department head, HOD of the department. For advanced clinical exposure, we have an implantology clinic, and it is adjacent to the cosmetology clinic, and in that we have performed around 70 to 80 implants in a month. If we talk about the advanced clinical area, we have a conscious sedation center in which UGs, PGs and staff will perform. The child patient is sedated by the nitrogen gases, and we do clinical practice on them. ITS has a premium dental chain known as ITS Express Clinic. Some of our best performing students have been hired here. In fact, 5 of them are ITS alumni, and we have a clinical area also. ITS Express Clinic comprises a clinical area of 12 clinic, and each maintained by a specialist doctor. Each clinic is dedicated for a dental department and is customized with relevant dental chair inventory and trained staff to cater to that specialty. For special surgeries, we have 2 modular operation theatres. This is basically for the PG students. The surgeries, the traumas are to be conducted in the OT only. We have a very huge library for UGs as well as PGs. We provided library card separately for UGs, and we have more than 500 books and journals presented in library. Dental cases, we have a very big hospital in the campus. It's an 100-bedded hospital, and the NABH accredited, named as ITS Surya Hospital. Considering the leisure time of student, we have made a very beautiful common room in our campus, and the common room contain indoor games such as billiards, air hockey, TT, etc. Students spend their free time in the common room. We have a separate girls boys hostel in the campus itself, and we provided single, double, triple seater room according to the demand of the candidates. There is a warden facility in the hostel for big ground for badminton and basketball that is in the girls hostel campus, and that is available for the boys as well as girls. These are conducted into the grounds. We have two grounds in the college. Named by Infinity Cafe, and the design is a very unique design with a fabulous ambience and food. The timings for cafe is till 9 p.m. I need to opt this college. Then there are the many reasons, but I need to specify some of the reasons. Like we have a best OPD in the Delhi NCR region, and we provided a best dental exposure for the students, PGs, UGs. We give a great practice setup and the management orientation for the student as well as the staff. We have a lot of BDS and the MDS university toppers.